One of the most important things to do when you're converting from one platform to another, such as TradeStation to NinjaTrader, we're looking at SR CounterTrend to natural gas is the algorithm we're looking at. And one of the most important things you have to take a look at is the differences in data. When you're dealing with coding differences, platform differences, you want to remove as many differences as possible. And so when we take a look at this strategy, we've converted it to NinjaTrader, and now I'm going to show you the results in NinjaTrader using a different data feed. So here's the result in NinjaTrader 7, and I'm going to take a look at the report. It is this report right here, historical, and you get 23,660, and so it's not the same, not that close. It's somewhat close, but you have to ask, why is this different? And it is the data. I'm going to prove to you, there's two ways to prove to you that it is the data. First of all, we're going to look at the data, and we're going to scroll back, and you see once you get to the back here, the data, you get some data errors like this. So you see data errors like this along the way from time to time, and maybe you don't have as much historical data. Let's see, there's 11/1/2006, and so we go back a little further in TradeStation, but you see different places along the way where the data is choppy or spotty, and so or there's gaps, and so it's different, and so the data is a little bit different as you saw those spikes. And another way I'm going to prove this to you is by exporting the TradeStation data into NinjaTrader on another computer with the same strategy, and show you the result. So here I am, put the same exact strategy, SR CounterTrend to V2 on NinjaTrader 7 on a different computer, and I imported the TradeStation data using the NT data download strategy that NinjaTrader makes available, and I'm going to show you the historical results. And so almost exactly the same, 38,660, almost exactly the same as the TradeStation. So there is still a slight difference in the programming methods and the way the fills are calculated on an interbar basis, and so you get a very small difference, but very close and very similar. And so that's what I wanted to show you. If you're having trouble matching performance summaries from one platform to another, you may want to standardize and use the same data in both platforms, so you can verify if there's any coding differences and it's not just data differences.